Hey, what's up guys? Welcome into For Low. My name is Spencer. Today I've got this Technics AM/FM radio to show you. The model number of it is ST-K50. But before we get into it, a quick fun fact. Did you know that FM radio was patented in 1933? Let's go ahead and talk about this. So on the rear panel, you have all of your antenna connections right here. You can use the screw-on adapters or you can use the plug-in loop antenna. And then you have your audio output right here, and then remote control for connecting it to an amplifier or system. And then right here you have an AC outlet for using it to send power to another device. And then you have your power input for sending power to this device. To connect it, you'll just plug in your audio cable and then connect to your antenna and then plug in your power cord. And then once you have it all connected, you can power it up. And so on the front panel, you have your power button right here. And then you have all of your presets. You can set up to 24 presets. And then over here you have your tuning buttons. You can go up or down. And then you have your band switch buttons. You can switch between AM and FM. And then right here you have your memory button for setting the presets. And then you have FM mode.
I kind of agree with Crystal. You know, I kind of agree with you, bro.
And this is a Quartz Synthesizer FM AM stereo tuner. So it's got that Quartz feature on it too. That's pretty much all there is for this Technics AM/FM stereo. If you want to order it, you can give us a call or check it out on our online store.